how to get free trial on TradingView. Once you create a TradingView account and sign into it, then all you need to do is go to the home page, and here you should see a button that says upgrade now, 30 days free trial. Once selected, here make sure you choose your plan, so whether you want to do annually or monthly. I'm just going to change it for monthly, and here you will see try free for 30 days immediately. If you are on an annual plan, then it might be at the top, it might be at the bottom, but basically I'm going to change it to monthly. Going to click on try free for 30 days. Now it's going to ask for your information, so that's going to be your billing address, and then it's going to tell you when your next payment will be due. So here, if you go through the prompts, you type out your address information, billing information, then you will get a 30-day free trial. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.